Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Do you love cooking with your Instant Pot, but want to try lighter recipes? That's me, and this lighter step-by-step Instant Pot Cookbook by Jeffrey Eisner has been great for me to learn and try new recipes. The pictures make it so easy to follow the instructions. They're step-by-step and clear and understandable. It makes it so easy to follow the recipes. The table of contents is organized by category like soup, pasta, desserts, and is very comprehensive. It's labeled with a key, whether the recipe is paleo, keto, or gluten-free. It's very impressive. It also provides a list of pantry staples so you can plan your shopping. There are also instructions on how to use the Instant Pot, and it lists any other tools that you might need to make these fabulous recipes. This lighter, step-by-step Instant Pot Cookbook by Jeffrey Eisner makes eating lighter, delicious, and enjoyable. And that's my point of view.